What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you real quick how I earned $100 with a free bank that's available for iOS and Android devices. So as you can see, it says your friends signed up for Chime. If you don't know what Chime is, I have a link below and tons of videos on me earning with this free bank. As you can see, it says your referral bonus is just one step away. So don't forget, it's going to be $100 plus $10 spot me. The spot me can be just in case you're negative. You can use the $10 for gas or whatever. All right, so as you can see me scroll down, you could go ahead and read the email if you want. You can pause the video. It doesn't really matter to me. But all I'm saying is this is the proof email when someone signs up with your link. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the proof $100 that Chime sent me. If you're liking today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I will be doing free shout outs for every video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for today's shout out. So on with today's video, it says you just got $100 from Chime. The date is there, February 15th, 2022. And that was around 11 a.m. It says right there, Chime, $100. Woohoo, you just got your referral bonus. So that's what's up. I just got $100 through Chime. Free bank money, you guys. All I'm doing is just sharing my link, having people deposit their paycheck through their employer. I believe Chime gives you like at least 45 days time frame in order to get that $100 bonus. So you can see there my email, Andrew Gonzalez Jr. That's my full name. So go on ahead and rewind it if you want to see more proof. All right, so today's shout out is Mr. Family X Funny Videos. And I hope I'm saying this next one right. It's called Hainan Popo. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Y'all take care and God bless you all.